Hey there, my name is Tobin Carpenter, and I'm an MSP consultant at Profile Technologies. In this video, I'm going to share a software management feature that can help your compliance numbers when you're looking at the dashboard. Within Software Management module, the dashboard will give you a peek into compliance. And if you've looked at this page before, you may think everything is out of compliance. This is due to compliance settings that by default only allow a tolerance of 24 hours from patch release before it is considered out of compliance. On the settings page, you'll find a section of compliance with some settings. Let's go ahead and select edit. You can see that by default, the scan grace period is 24 hours with a patch tolerance of 95%. Let's say you only patch every 7 days. What you could do is you could change the scan and deploy grace period hours to allow for 7 or maybe even a 14-day window, just to ensure that machines have time to be online during the window and that they have time to successfully install those patches. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to change it to 14 days. So we're going to do 336 hours because this is in hours. And the patch tolerance, I'm going to change to 85%. I feel that if the machine has 85% of the patches that it's supposed to, that is doing good. Let's go ahead and select save. And the next scan, those new numbers are going to be taken into account, and your compliance numbers should look better on the dashboard. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week, sharing knowledge on VSA, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMN, and more. Let us know what you'd like to see.